Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. Today we are looking at the multiplication of matrices. We multiply matrices considering rows and columns. So we shall multiply a row of the first matrix with the column of another. And therefore, if that is the case, the number of columns in the first matrix, for instance, this one has 2 columns, should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. This also has 2. So the first one has 2 columns, the second one has 2 rows that can be multiplied. But if we consider this, the first one has 3 columns and the second one has 2 rows, that one cannot be multiplied because this third column will not have a row it is multiplying. Therefore, we multiply matrices only if the number of columns in the first is equal to the number of rows in the second. That is the principle. Please take it carefully. Then, after knowing the guideline, this is how we do it. The first element of the first matrix goes with the upper element in the next matrix. Then the second element goes with the lower element. So we get A times E to get us AE plus B times G to get us BG. So it will be AE plus BG. Then we come to the second. We shall have AF plus BH. So always the first multiplies the upper, the next multiplies the lower. So AE plus BG, AF plus BH. Then we also come down. We come to the lower row, that is CE plus DG and the CF plus DH. That is how we multiply matrices. For instance, in our example, we are given M and N. They want us to find MN. So they are all 2 by 2 matrices, so they can be multiplied. How do we multiply? This is how we shall do it. We shall have 0 times 5 plus 2 times 3. Remember, the first one goes with the upper, the second one goes with the lower. So 0 times 5 plus 2 times 3. Then we come to 0 times -4 plus 2 times 2. We come down 1 times 5 plus -3 times 3. And then 1 times -4 plus -3 times 2 to get the second step. 0 times 5 plus 2 times 3, then 0 times -4 plus 2 times 2, then down 1 times 5 plus negative 3 times 3, then 1 times negative 4 plus negative 3 times 2. After that, we multiply and add, which gives us 6. We end up with 6, 4, negative 4, 10. So that is how we multiply matrices. The principle is the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second. Otherwise, we meet next time. Bye-bye.